me take another bite. Let me take another bite. This is proper street food in Pakistan. You know, he's about to make whisk the anda, and then he's gonna pour it across. He's gonna put the shami kebab in it, and then he's gonna make it. Look at that sizzle. Anda shami burger. It is 140 rupees, which is about 40 pence. Yeah, 40 pence. So actually, it's still very, very cheap compared to the prices in UK. Once he is finished with making it, I'm not sure whether we can try it here. I don't think we can try it here. Can I? Once the shamis are done, then he spreads them on the buns. Pose. Evenly. Try to fry them one more time. It is not the most healthy food, but it is very delicious. Now he is getting the anda prepared. Yeah, salt, pepper, some masalas in there. Now he's gonna fry the egg. So that's cabbage, white cabbage on top of the shami. Then some ketchup sauce on top of it. And then we'll squeeze mayo sauce on top. Gonna cut the egg. There you go. Currently we are in Rawalpindi. It's a very common thing in Rawalpindi and Lahore and these sort of places, but it's coming towards like Swat and Peshawar and those areas as well. There you go. Starting to place the egg on top of the salad. More sauce. Like I said, it's not the most healthy burger that you will eat, but it is very delicious. A friend of mine, Mizanur, when he watches this video, I know he is the kind of person who would love to eat this. Chutney sauce will go on top of these. And then there you go, they are ready. So this is proper Pakistani street food. Let me take another bite. Let me take another bite. It's not kind of hot. It is. Give me some more. MashaAllah. I would highly recommend. MashaAllah is very nice.